Hello students, we are here again with his first flight. You learned the chapter written by Lamo Flaherty, how you learn about the seagull bird through the last story, that why God failed to fly and how his parents and even his sisters and brother and sister कमेंट ओवर हिम, किस तरह से उसके ऊपर चीखते हैं, किस तरह से उसकर व्यंग करते हैं. लेट्स लर्न द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. और इसका दूसरा हिस्सा पढ़ते हैं. स्टूडेंट गाओ गाओ ही क्राइड begging her to bring some food. He was creating the sound of ga 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 to his mother who was tearing a fish on the opposite cliff, जो दूसरी चट्टान पर मछली का टुकड़ा काट रही थी. उसे इनवाइट करने के लिए किस तरह से वो आवाज़ निकालता है. But Gaul ko aha, she screamed back derisoriously, but he to call him a coward, a poor, to make him feel guilty. She made the sound of Gaul ka aha. उसकी माँ उसे प्रत्युत्तर में उसे कायर सिद्ध करने के लिए, उसे डरपोक बताने के लिए आवाज़ निकालती है. But he kept calling plaintively, but seagull still continued to cry, continued to call his mother. अभी तक कोशिश कर रहा होता है अपनी माँ को बार बार बुलाने की. And after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream, but very shortly it was noticed by the author, or it has been written by the author, that he felt a little bit relaxed or happy. वो थोड़ा सा खुश होता है. क्या हुआ ऐसा? His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. He was happy just as to see that his mother was coming with a piece of fish towards him. उसने देखा उसकी माँ मछली का एक टुकड़ा उसकी तरफ लेकर आ रही होती है. Students, he leaned out eagerly. Seagull tried to bend forward very keenly, very excitedly. बड़ी खुशी से आगे की तरफ झुकता है. Tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. When he noticed his mother was coming or flying to him, he tried to come forward, or he tried to move forward on the ledge. वो चट्टान पर आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करता है. But when she was just opposed to him, as he noticed that his mother was just opposed to him and halted and stopped her flying, उसने देखा उसकी माँ जैसे ही उसके अपोजिट आई, बिल्कुल नज़दीक आई, उसने उड़ना बंद कर दिया. Her wings motionless, she left her wings motionless without any movement. उसने अपने पंखों को बंद कर दिया उड़ाना. And the piece of fish in her beak almost within the reach of his beak. And he noticed the seagull bird found that the piece of fish was very close to his beak. उसकी चोंच के बिल्कुल नज़दीक आ गया था. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she didn't come nearer, and then maddened by hunger. But Seagull was very surprised that why his mother didn't come very close to him and served him. उसने देखा उसकी माँ क्यों उसके नज़दीक नहीं आई, क्यों उसने उसे भोजन नहीं दिया. इस बात से बड़ा हैरान होता है. He dived at the and maddened by hunger. By now he had been turned to be totally mad for food. अब तक वो भोजन के लिए बिल्कुल अंधा हो चुका होता है, पागल हो चुका होता है. And he dived at the fish. Just because of the hunger, he tried to move forward, he tried to catch it. आगे की तरफ उछलकर उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करता है. But with a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into the space. But result ये निकलता है कि वो आगे हवा में उड़ जाता है, हवा में रह जाता है. Then a monster seized him and his heart stood still. And very shortly it was found that he was in the grip of monster, the devil of the fear. अब वो भयानक डर की कब्जे में होता है. He could hear nothing, वो कुछ नहीं सुन पाता है. But it only lasted minute. His fear could not long last, but only within a minute his fear disappear. उसका डर एक ही क्षण में, थोड़ी देर में लुप्त हो जाता है. The next moment he felt the wings spread outward. अगले क्षण वो महसूस करता है उसके पंख फैले हुए हैं. The wind rushed against the breast feather, and he found that the wind was striking against his feather. वो देखता है उसके पंखों के खिलाफ हवा तेजी से झोंकों से लग रही होती है. Then under his stomach and against the wings, फिर वो हवा उसके पेट के पास तक जाती है, उसके पंखों से फिर टकराती है. Then he found that he could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He noticed that his wings were able to cut the air and he was in the air, he was flying, और वो देखता उसके पंख किस तरह से हवा को काट रहे होते हैं स्टैंड. He was not falling headlong now. He found that he was not going downward directly, straight forward. वो सीधा जमीन की तरफ, वो पानी की तरफ गिर नहीं रहा होता है. He was no longer afraid. Now he had no fear anymore. अब उसे कोई डर नहीं होता है. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and could soared up wide. And again he tried with his feathers very much better way as he could. And he found that he was soaring. और देखता है कि वो हवा में उड़ रहा होता है. It stands ga 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 cow call a. His mother swooped past him to sing the song in his praise. His mother was passing or passed to him. उसकी माँ उसके पास से उसकी प्रशंसा में गीत गाते हुए उसे और मोटिवेट करते हुए उसके पास से गुजरती है. Her wings making a loud noise. उसके पंख बहुत तेजी से आवाज कर रहे होते हैं. He answered her with another scream. Now Seagull also answered his mother with his scream. अपनी आवाज में उसे चीख करके प्रत्युत्तर करता है. Then his father flew over him screaming, and now his father also joined them, and he also began to praise him. He saw his two brothers and sisters flying around him, cavorting and banking and soaring and diving. And very shortly Seagull found all his family members, his brothers and sisters were also there. They were motivating him, they were praising him for his successful flight. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Now when he found that he was among all the family members and was flying very easily, he found that he forgot that he had the fear earlier, or he could not ever successful to fly. अब वो भूल जाता है पूरी तरह से कि क्या कभी वो उड़ने से डरता था, क्या वो कभी उड़ नहीं सकता था. And commanded himself to dive and soar. And he also found his brother sister in the same position. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, and very shortly he was over the sea where he was flying, facing straight out over the ocean, and he saw the big vast of the sea. उसने बड़ा विस्तृत महासागर, वो समुद्र अपनी आंखों के सामने फैला हुआ देखा होता है. He saw a vast green sea beneath him with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. When he found that he had a big vast sea in front of him, he very happily and to feel proud that he could fly, looking here and there, as generally you learn when how to drive cycle, how to ride cycle and feel confident the same way. अब सीगुल भी उसी तरह एक नई जीत के कारण एक नई जीत हासिल करके अपनी दोनों साइडों में देखता है. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on the green floating ahead of him. He found that his brother, sister and his parents had already landed. उसने देखा उसके माँ बाप पहले ही समुद्र पर उतर चुके हैं, उस हरे भरे ग्रीन कलर के सरफेस पर उतर चुके हैं, सतह पर उतर चुके हैं. They were beckoning to him, they were calling, they were calling to him. वो उसे बुला रहे होते हैं, calling shrilly, they were calling him very excitedly, बड़ी उत्तेजित होकर उसे बुला रहे होते हैं. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. He also tried, and as he halted and come to the sea, वो भी अपना उड़ान बंद कर देता है, समुद्र पर आता है. His legs sank into it, but he found that as his legs sank into the sea, जैसे ही उसकी टांगें समुद्र में घुस जाती हैं, he screamed with fright and attempted to raise again, flapping his wings. He tried now to fly again. As he found that his legs were sinking, he thought that he could sink. उसे लगा कि अब वो भी डूब जाएगा, परंतु पैरों के घुसने के बाद अपने पंखों को फड़फड़ाकर वह उड़ने में असफल होता है, उड़ान नहीं भर पाता है. But he was tired and weak with his hunger and could not rise because of hunger and because of the tiredness. After his first flight, he found himself unable to fly. बिल्कुल असफल पाता है अपने आप को, असमर्थ पाता है अपने आप को उड़ान भरने में, क्योंकि थका हुआ था और बहुत भूखा भी था. Exhausted to the strange experience, he had tired with the strange experience. इस नए अनुभव से, इस विचित्र अनुभव से अपने से वो थका होता है। स्टैंड हिज फीट सैंक इनटू द ग्रीन सी एंड देन हिज belly touched it and then he found sank no farther as his belly as his stomach touched with the green surface of the sea। जैसे ही समुद्र के ऊपरी हरी भरी सतह से उसका पेट टच होता है, वो अब नहीं डूबता होता है, उससे ज़्यादा वो पानी के अंदर नहीं जाता है। As you know, their hollow body float on the water, and he was floating on it, and around him, if his family was screaming, praising him with their beaks, offering with a hymn, scraps of the dogfish, and all the family member serving him the leisure, the pleasant, most quality of the fishes for his happiness। बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी क्वालिटी की फिश उसे सर्व कर रहे होते हैं। He had made his first flight, this way he learned how to fly, or it was his first flight, this way he made his first flight। And I hope when you found your parents are scolding you, teaching you, motivating you to do something positive, you should not feel anyhow opposite to them, but you should learn as the seagull was taught by his parents and his family members, the same way our parents try their best to teach us how to fly। So students, at last I can feel that after going through this audio, you will be able not only to answer the questions, but you must be able to inspire your life whenever you find yourself in any trouble, that until you make an effort, you cannot get success, and your efforts always bring success to you। Thank you and have a nice day।